Hello, and welcome back to Let's Learn. Have you ever wondered what makes you, well, you? How do you think, feel, move, and remember? The answer lies within one of the most incredible and intricate fields of medicine, neurology. Today, we're diving deep into the amazing world of your nervous system. So grab your thinking caps and let's get started. First things first, what exactly is neurology? Simply put, neurology is the branch of medicine dedicated to the study of the nervous system. Now, this isn't just about your brain. The nervous system is a vast, complex network that includes your brain, the spinal cord running down your back, and all the nerves that branch out to every single part of your body. Think of it as the body's electrical wiring and command center, all rolled into one. It's responsible for everything from the simple act of blinking to composing a symphony. Let's break it down, starting with the superstar of the show, the brain. Your brain is the undisputed control center. It's like the most powerful supercomputer ever built, constantly processing information, making decisions, and sending out commands. It weighs about 3 pounds, but consumes a whopping 20% of your body's oxygen and calories. Every thought you have, every memory you cherish, every emotion you feel, it all originates here, in this amazing organ. But the brain doesn't work in isolation. It communicates with the rest of your body through the spinal cord and a network of peripheral nerves. Imagine the spinal cord as a superhighway for information. Messages from your brain travel down this highway to tell your legs to walk or your hands to pick up a cup. In the other direction, sensory information, like the warmth of the sun on your skin or the taste of your favorite food, travels up the spinal cord to your brain for processing. It's a constant, two-way flow of information happening at lightning speed. So, who are the experts in this field? They're called neurologists. A neurologist is a highly specialized doctor who diagnoses, treats, and manages disorders of the nervous system. They are like detectives, piecing together clues from a patient's symptoms, medical history, and sophisticated diagnostic tools to solve the mysteries of the brain and nerves. And the range of conditions they treat is incredibly broad. You've probably heard of some of them. For instance, migraines, which are much more than just a bad headache, are a neurological condition. So is epilepsy, a disorder characterized by seizures, which are essentially sudden bursts of uncontrolled electrical activity in the brain. Neurologists also treat movement disorders like Parkinson's disease, where the brain's ability to control movement gradually diminishes. Then there are degenerative conditions like Alzheimer's disease, which affects memory, thinking, and behavior, and multiple sclerosis, or MS, where the body's own immune system attacks the protective covering of nerves, disrupting communication between the brain and the body. Neurologists also play a critical role in treating acute events like strokes, which happen when blood flow to a part of the brain is cut off, and in managing the recovery process. To understand what's going on inside this complex system, neurologists have an arsenal of incredible tools. One of the most common is the MRI, or magnetic resonance imaging. An MRI uses powerful magnets and radio waves to create detailed pictures of the brain and spinal cord, allowing doctors to see structures and identify abnormalities without any surgery. It's like getting a high-resolution map of your brain. Another key tool is the EEG, or electroencephalogram. This test measures the electrical activity in your brain using small electrodes attached to your scalp. It's fantastic for diagnosing conditions like epilepsy because it can literally show the electrical storms in the brain that cause seizures. Neurologists can also use nerve conduction studies and electromyography, EMG, to test how well your nerves are sending electrical signals and how your muscles are responding to them. This is crucial for diagnosing nerve damage or muscle diseases. But neurology isn't just about what can go wrong. It's also about understanding the incredible capabilities of a healthy nervous system. How do we form memories? How do we learn a new language or a musical instrument? How does our brain process emotions like joy, sadness, and love? These are some of the profound questions that neurologists and neuroscientists are working to answer. Every time you learn something new, you are physically changing the structure of your brain. New connections, or synapses, are formed between neurons. This concept is called neuroplasticity, and it's one of the most exciting areas of modern neuroscience. It shows that our brains aren't fixed. They are constantly adapting and reorganizing themselves based on our experiences. This has huge implications, not just for learning, but also for recovery from brain injury. It suggests that with the right therapy, the brain can often find new pathways to perform functions that were lost. The field is constantly evolving, with new discoveries being made all the time. Researchers are exploring how gut health might influence neurological conditions like Parkinson's. They are using artificial intelligence to analyze brain scans and predict the onset of diseases like Alzheimer's is years before symptoms appear. And they are developing groundbreaking treatments like deep brain stimulation, where tiny electrodes are implanted in the brain to help control the symptoms of Parkinson's and other movement disorders. We're also learning more about the connection between our lifestyle and our brain health. It turns out that things like regular exercise, a balanced diet, good sleep, and social engagement are all incredibly important for keeping your brain sharp and reducing your risk of neurological disease. Your brain isn't just a passive organ. It thrives on stimulation and care. So, things like solving puzzles, learning a new skill, or even just having a deep conversation with a friend are all great workouts for your brain. In essence, neurology is the science that bridges the gap between the physical matter of our brain and the abstract world of our consciousness. It helps us understand the very core of what it means to be human, the intricate dance of electrical signals and chemical reactions that gives rise to our thoughts, our identity, and our experience of the world. It's a field filled with challenges, but also with immense hope and endless fascination. The more we learn about the brain, the more we realize how much more there is to discover. It truly is the final frontier of medical science. And by understanding it, we not only unlock new ways to treat devastating diseases, but also gain a deeper appreciation for the incredible biological machine we each carry around in our heads. And that's our deep dive into the world of neurology. We hope this has sparked your curiosity about the amazing control center running your life. If you found this journey through the nervous system fascinating, please hit that like button and share this video with anyone who loves to learn. And don't forget to subscribe to Let's Learn and ring that notification bell so you won't miss our next adventure into science and health. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, your brain is your most valuable asset. Keep it active, stay curious, and never stop learning. We'll see you in the next video.